Locking your bedroom door won't protect you from what's already inside. It started subtly. The smart fridge began displaying odd news headlines, things I hadn't searched for. Then recipes appeared for foods I hate. I dismissed it as glitches. Until last night. The fridge screen flickered, showing a single, chilling sentence. "He's behind you." I spun around. Nothing. Just the cold, empty kitchen. But the fridge kept showing messages. "He sees you. Then, don't trust the shadows." Paranoia set in. Every creak, every flicker of light sent shivers down my spine. This morning, the fridge displayed a new message. "He knows you're reading this. Are you absolutely sure the reflection you're seeing in your darkened screen is just your face? Because locking your bedroom door won't protect you from what's already inside."